That's where the sun will rise. Which is the northeast. Isn't that weird? The sun's rising from the northeast now. Love that sound. I stay up all night long and I sleep during the days so that I can hear this every day. This is what we're supposed to hear. Not trucks, not cars, airplanes. About 10 to 6 a.m. Boy, something going on over here. Somebody's mad. I like the birds are fake thing. Oh, you've never seen a baby pigeon, blah, blah, blah. I'll tell you what, there's about 30 baby pigeons that grow up every year in that bridge right there. That old iron bridge. I'll show you guys one soon. The ugliest looking things. I love animals, but they are very ugly. Baby pigeons are. And of course, baby pigeon thinks I'm ugly if I was young. Who knows? Oop. Of course, I can hear the TV more than anything. The whole street's quiet. All right.